Why StealthGTI? Well, for over 25 years, my claim to fame has been to pack a lot of capability into my small car, hide that capability, and then focus on making the car appear completely stock to the casual observer. I didn't want any extra attention from thieves, vandals, or even the police. But things changed for just about all of us in 2020, and I got bored and went overboard with my ham radio upgrades. Today, my mobile ham station is quite conspicuous, but at the same time, perhaps it's so stealth that it's getting difficult to spot a car under my radio station. This channel features various aspects of my car, its equipment, including performance upgrades, and its journey beyond the 200,000 mile mark. I don't upload on a schedule these days, but I do still upload new content from time to time. So stick around and see my next kooky project. Thanks for being here. Take care.